In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Amazon Prime Video not working. If Prime Video won't play, buffers endlessly, or shows errors, start with the simplest fixes. Close the app or browser completely, then restart your phone, laptop, or TV. Power cycle your Wi-Fi router by unplugging it, waiting about 30 seconds, and plugging it back in. This quick reset clears temporary glitches and, in many cases, gets playback working right away. If it's still not working, check your internet connection. A stable connection is key. As a guideline, you'll want around 3 Mbps for SD, 5 Mbps for HD, and 25 Mbps for 4K streaming. If videos won't load or keep buffering, try switching to a different Wi-Fi network or temporarily use mobile data to see if the issue is your connection. Moving closer to your router or using a wired connection can also help. Next, log out of Prime Video and log back in with the correct Amazon account. This refreshes your session and clears account-related hiccups that can block playback or access to certain titles. If the problem persists, update the Prime Video app from your device's app store. Outdated versions can have bugs or compatibility issues. If updating doesn't help, uninstall and reinstall the app to replace any corrupted files and reset the app's data. Clearing cache is very important. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Prime Video, Storage, and tap Clear Cache. On a web browser, clear cookies and cache, then relaunch the site. This removes stale data that often causes loading and playback problems. Note that you may need to sign in again afterward. Now check for device issues. Make sure your TV, phone, or computer has the latest software updates installed. If possible, try Prime Video on another device. If it works elsewhere, your original device is likely the culprit. On smart TVs, reinstalling the Prime Video app can resolve compatibility problems. Seeing a video unavailable message usually points to regional or licensing restrictions. Some content isn't available in every country, and availability can change when you travel. If you're using a VPN, turn it off or try a different server. Prime Video may block VPN connections, which can prevent streaming or make titles appear unavailable. Also confirm your Prime membership is active and that your payment method is up to date. Lapsed subscriptions or failed payments can limit access. Finally, check if Prime Video is experiencing an outage. Sometimes the service is down, and all you can do is wait for it to be fixed. Follow these steps in order, and you'll resolve most Prime Video issues quickly and confidently.